Hi! In today's video, we will talk about the simple investment rules for beginners. So if you're planning to start investing your money soon, watch the video to the end. These rules will surely mean something to you. But before that, subscribe to our channel and press the notification button to be notified when the new video is online. Well, if you've done all this, let's get started. It's no secret that knowing how to start investing when you're a total beginner can be intimidating at first. The learning curve of the stock market, combined with the fact that you're putting your own money at risk, is often enough to scare many people away from what is one of the safest ways to financial freedom. That's why investing for beginners can be overwhelming. But it's important to remember that even the most successful investors had to start investing somewhere. And it's never too early to start planning for the future and learning how to invest. We have prepared 5 basic rules for you, so let's look at them together. Rule number 1. Learn the investing basics. You wouldn't jump into a boxing ring without knowing the basics of sparring and self-defense, so you shouldn't jump into stock market investing without knowing the basics. Before you begin building wealth, it's important to understand the true goal of investing as well as the process you'll need to use to reach that goal. At the most basic level, investing is all about buying $10 worth of value for $5. When you're able to buy a company for less than its true value, your investment return will grow over time. This is the ultimate goal of investing. Also, you should utilize investing resources for beginners. This does not have to be a formal program. There are plenty of resources available filled with investment advice. These resources include things such as books, blogs, podcasts, apps, investing software, and more. Rule number 2. Create an investment plan. Before you put your money in the market, you need to have a clear plan of what you want to accomplish and how you are going to do it. This is where creating an investment plan comes in. The best investment plan is one that is customized to your lifestyle. So follow the steps below to set yourself up on the path to success. Step 1. Evaluate your current financial standing to understand your risk tolerance. Step 2. Determine your goals and how long it will take you to realistically achieve them. Step 3. Figure out which types of investments and strategies are the best way to get you to where you want to be. Having a clear investment plan will give you a ton of clarity as you start investing. Rule number 3. Decide what type of investment to make. The types of investments are diverse, so it is important to choose the one that interests you the most. Here are just a few examples. Number 1. Investing in stocks. When you purchase individual stocks, you become a partial owner of the company's stock you purchased. That means when the company makes money, so do you, and when the company grows in value, the value of your stocks grows as well. Number 2. Investing in bonds. Bonds can be purchased from the U.S. government or individual companies. Rather than buying ownership in a company, bonds essentially allow you to loan money to the government or a company in exchange for modest returns. On average, bonds offer a return of 2 to 3% per year. Number 3. Investing in investment funds. An investment fund, like mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, index funds, etc., is a collection of individual stocks that are overseen by a fund manager. Rule number 4. Establish your investment strategy. Investing is more than picking a few stocks and hoping for the best. If you're doing it right, there's a real strategy involved, and you don't need an investment advisor to do it. These investment strategies include: Number 1. Impact investing. Investing in companies that have a measurable environmental or charitable impact. Number 2. Growth investing. Investing in companies that exhibit signs of above-average growth. Number 3. Income investing. Investing in securities that pay dividends. Number 4. Small cap investing. Investing in small companies that are new and have the potential to grow quickly. Number 5. Value investing. Investing in great companies when they are on sale for prices lower than they are worth. Rule number 5. Continue learning strategies for beginners. Investing is kind of like riding a bike. Once you get the hang of it, it's with you for life. And it makes you richer over time with the right investment strategy. And that is why you need to constantly learn and read about this topic to improve your skills. Apply these rules to get started, and you will find your way into the world of investing. We have tried to make it as easy as possible for you to start investing. We hope you have understood everything. Before investing, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos like this. Hope you enjoyed today. Have a nice day and see you soon.